Nestled amidst a sprawling forested plot, the apple tree house served as a sanctuary for a city-dwelling family. Designed by ACDF Architecture, the modern house blurred the lines between the internal and external worlds, fostering a deep connection with nature. The project's heart was an existing apple tree, a cherished symbol of the owner's childhood and a cornerstone of family bonding. The architects carefully incorporated the tree into the design, placing it within a central open courtyard. This living centerpiece became a focal point, its changing moods reflecting the rhythm of days, seasons, and weather. As the children watched the tree grow, they learned valuable lessons about caring for nature, a responsibility that extended to the surrounding forest. The house itself embodied a minimalist and modernist aesthetic. ACDF achieved this through a clever use of transparency and openness. Two horizontal concrete slabs clad in aluminum frames formed the basic structure. Large expanses of glass offered uninterrupted views of the outdoors, while a central opening allowed for the apple tree to flourish. Three wooden boxes were then strategically placed within this framework. Each box served a specific purpose. One housed the garage, another held the children's bedrooms, and the last one accommodated the master suite. These individual spaces provided a sense of privacy while maintaining visual connections to the shared living area and the courtyard. Entering the house was an experience in itself. From the approach, large concrete blocks guided visitors towards the main entrance. Layers of glass offered glimpses into the internal communal space, its heart marked by the open courtyard with the thriving apple tree. A covered porch, complete with a wood stove and comfortable seating, beckoned as a place to gather and connect with nature. Screens on descending rollers provided flexibility, allowing the porch to be fully open or partially enclosed for protection from the elements. Inside the central living area, polished concrete floors reflected the abundant natural light streaming through the floor-to-ceiling windows. A strategically placed upright piano added a touch of elegance, while wooden planks on the ceiling with black fabric inserts ensured optimal acoustics. This expansive open space encompassed a kitchen, dining area, and living room, each bathed in natural light and carefully furnished to complement the overall minimalist aesthetic. The true artwork, however, was the ever-changing beauty of the outdoors, framed by the transparency of the apple tree house. Alright, that's a wrap on the apple tree house. If you're looking for a way to bring nature closer to home, then this stunning design might just inspire you. For more incredible architecture videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment letting me know what kind of homes you'd like to see featured next. Thanks for watching.